Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use the Ethernet cable on our Google TV Streamer 4K device. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We are using the latest Google TV Streamer 4K model for this. Using the Ethernet cable over the Wi-Fi will give us better internet connection speed. This will definitely come handy while streaming 4K movies and TV shows. So if you have a smart TV, Google TV Streamer 4K, Ethernet cable and an active internet connection, then we are good to go. Cat6 or Cat6a Ethernet cable is fine for this, and Cat7 is good for future proofing as well. We have to make sure to pick the right cable length depending on the distance between your router and Google TV Streamer. I will share all the product links in the description along with other helpful Google TV videos. You can check them out if you are interested. So now we have to insert one end of the Ethernet cable to the back side of our Google TV Streamer 4K. We can see the Ethernet port here. So we just have to insert it here. We will hear a click sound. So that's all we have to do. And now we have to take the other end of the Ethernet cable and insert it into the back side or front side of our internet Wi-Fi router. So we just have to plug it here and we will hear a click sound again. That's all. So after we connect the Ethernet cable, we will get a pop-up on our Google TV connected using Ethernet. So here we can see our green color Ethernet cable connecting our internet Wi-Fi router and our Google TV Streamer 4K device. Now if we go to the quick settings menu, we can see Ethernet here instead of Wi-Fi. Here it says unplug Ethernet to use Wi-Fi. That means we have successfully switched from Wi-Fi connection to Ethernet connection. These are the steps to use the Ethernet cable on our Google TV Streamer 4K device. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.